For question 5, this is the key data preparation step. First, I filter listing where accommodate is 12 or fewer. I check the data and group size above 12, having very few listings, so I exclude them to avoid noisy, unreliable averages. Then I create a new variable price per person, and by dividing the nightly price and accommodate. That is the maximum number of guests the listing can host. This gives me a per guest cost for every listing, which is the core measure I need to test the economies of scale idea. Next, I group the data by accommodate. So all one guest listing together, all two guests listing together, and so on. For each group, I calculate three things: and the number of listing in that group, mean price, the average total nightly price, and the mean PP, the average price per person. I then filter to keep only group size with at least 20 listing. Again, just to make sure every bar in my chart is based on a reasonable size, reliable sample. Then I print this summarized table to the console so I can inspect the actual numbers. This is where I saw that mean price per person drops from around $96 for a single guest down to around $43 to $51 for listing that sleep 10 or more. And to back this up with a form statistical test rather than just eyeballing the table, I fit a simple linear regression of price per person on accommodate using the ln function on the full filter data site. The printing the summarize give me the slope coefficient, its p-value and r squared. The slope come out about 5.28, which is statistically significant with a p-value well down 0.001, meaning each additional guest a listing can accommodate is associated with roughly $5.28 less in price per person, and this isn't just due to random change. And then now I build a visualization. I use double G plots. I use double G plots with my summarized TB1, plotting the accommodates on the X and mean PP, and the mean PP is on the Y-X. And the geo column draws this as green bar. I add geo smooth with method LM to overlay a dashed black straight line, which visually shows the downward linear relationship I found in the recession. And the skew X continues, just make sure every group size gets its own label trick on the X instead of R choosing arbitrary breaks. Finally, the labs and the themes minimus at my title. And lastly, I save the export the plot as a PNG film.